Hello and welcome to my son different. Today we got a package in the mailbox and I just want to open it, see what's in here. So this was supposed to arrive tomorrow, but it arrived today. For that, I'm grateful for it because the weather had changed so fast. I was like, let me get some hot chocolate. So I went and got this hot chocolate. It's Reese's peanut butter cup. And let's see it. And it comes in a pack of 8. And this was like, what, around $5. So it comes in single serve. You add 6 ounces of hot water. And it says here you can add 3 ounces of hot water, stir it, dissolve it, and then put some ice in it. 3 ounces of cubed ice, and it'll turn into a cold drink. So that sounds really good. So I mean, 2 in 1, that's pretty good. $6. The next thing I got was more hair vitamins. So I got the Viviscal again because it was on sale for like 20 something dollars. I think it was like 29, but it had a coupon. And I was like, I have to get it again because that makes my hair grow like freaking crazy. And it says what's in it, vitamin C, niacin, biotin. I'm taking that already. Calcium, iron, zinc. These are like essential vitamins. Aminomar marine complex, which is collagen, and oyster extract powder, horsetail extract, and millet seed extract. So I think that's a grain, and horsetail is an herb. So yeah, I've been hearing a lot about grain, how grains can improve your health, like rice, wheat. These two have been proven beneficial and kind of staples in our diet, so much so that they have become very, very much worldwide a staple in the, the food industry, period, because people, see the benefits and all that. But I think the vitamin C, niacin, it helps keep keeps your hair kind of detoxified, kind of antioxidant. And the biotin nourishes your hair from the root. So that I can see. The horsetail is kind of another astringent agent. And the collagen obviously nourishes the scalp, nourishes the hair follicle, you know, keeps the strand healthy. Oyster extract, that one, that one is something that people have recently started researching you know, real hard. Um, and oyster extract, they said, has certain properties in it that no other animal derivative has. So they have found that it can rebound you back to health, that you can become more resilient by supplementing with it. So, I mean, it's a win-win situation. And that's why I like to fall onto Viviscal whenever I feel like I want a boost in my hair growth process. I usually don't. As you know me, I really don't care. I have nared my hair for for use of wig. I have shaved my sideburns because it stuck out of the wig. I mean, I really am not one to complain, but when I decided to start having long hair was like what, couple weeks ago, and I'm determined to stick to my word and have hair growing out my head like a normal person and not not wear a wig. I mean, it's just a parody anyway, but for me, that's the way I've expressed myself for the longest time. So if you look at even older pictures, you can find me with very short hair because um I'll buzz cut it. I'll use scissors and trim it down. And I mean, I do really good hairstyles with short, but nobody else likes it. To be honest, it's not just y'all. My home life is the same. It's the same conversation. It's not just y'all. I just want y'all to know that. I love y'all. The last thing, the last thing that I got was actually these. And this I got six for like $6. It's like, $6 for these cup of noodle soups. And actually I'm boiling water right now. I'm gonna make me a soup. And even though it was warm today, I'm making a hot chocolate because it gets cold at night. And yeah, I hope you guys like my haul. This stuff, like I said, came early. I think it was 2 day, but I got it early today, and I was so happy to come home and find that, it just arrived right at the door. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, my son from. Bye bye.